Hey guys, just about to head out camping for a couple of days. I'll be taking the Nugget and the F150. This will be the first trip with the shorter drawbar and the Kickass swing out bracket. So we'll check those out. And the Dometic, the new Dometic fridge that I put in and had to modify the Nugget for. So we'll check all that stuff out once we set it up. Let's hit the road. Well, that looked a little bit harder than it needed to be, so it's all hooked up. Let's hit the road and we'll see you at the camp. Arrived at the hip camp, set up right down on the water. Nice quiet little spot. Now I've got the companion hot water system on charge, so I'll set that up in a minute. With the new Kickass shower tent on the swing bracket, a couple of guys were asking how I plan to use a hot water system with the shower tent up this end of the camper. So there is water on the drawbar here, and there's a gas connection just in under there as well. So I'll be able to set the hot water system up on the drawbar, connect it to the gas and to the water, and that'll pretty much be it. It's showers right there, so it's pretty easy. Obviously these Nugget campers do have hot and cold inlet and outlet on the back, and a gas. So there's hot and cold water there, and a gas bayonet as well. But I'm planning to have it set up out the front there, obviously where the shower tent is. So I'll set that up and show you how that looks. Here we go, the companion hot water system. I made this hose up, screws straight into the bottom and then to the gas bayonet. I'm just currently running it off the bucket with the companion's pump at the moment. I will make up another hose to sort that out, so it can plug into the water outlet on the front. And then underneath the shower I've got a little wooden duckboard, just from Bunnings. And yeah, just turn the water on. The companion automatically fires up. I don't think you can see that, but flames ignited, 38 degrees outlet temperature at the moment, 39, 40, so it's slowly going up. Be all good to go for a nice shower at camp. If you do want to know more about this setup, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Right now it's time to freshen up and see what's for dinner. And you got to make do because you forgot your coffee cup. Stubby cooler is going to have to do. This Dometic was an absolute nightmare to fit in here. As you can see, I had to chop up the fridge slide and it literally only just fits past the door. I still might trim up the door frame a little bit just so it's easier to get in and out. Apart from storing the beers, great. This has got the freezer side as well. Ice in there at the moment, cheeky whiskey later. Fridge side, and it literally just fits. But if it fits, it fits. It's definitely better than the 45 litre King's fridge that I had in here. So far, Dometic is living up to its reputation. So keen to see how it goes on the Cape.